What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to install an ad blocker in Google Chrome. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top search bar here and type Chrome Web Store. And then you're going to want to click the first link here, chrome.google.com/webstore. Okay. And you're going to want to make sure extensions is selected here. So when you want to find your ad blocker, you want to type in search the store and type AdBlock. And then you're going to want to click more extensions because it's only going to give you like 3 options at the start. So click more extensions. And I'm going to install this one because it has the most reviews and the most users and the best overall reviews. So 4.5 stars for that many reviews. Solid ad blocker, right? So I'm going to click add to Chrome. Add ad block, best ad blocker. Yes, add extension. Boom. And now it is installed. So I don't want to make a first time donation, honestly. So I'm just going to close this web page because it's completely unnecessary. And I'm going to click this and click pin. So now I can see it in the top right. And now I have ad block. So if I want to disable this guy, I can do pause on this site or pause on all sites. Don't run on this page. Don't run on pages on this site. This will block your YouTube ads, block ads on random sites, block pop-ups, block Twitch ads. It'll block everything you need. So hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.